Are you looking for the best refillable ink printers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best refillable ink printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Canon GX6021 Supertank Printer. The Canon MAXIFY GX6021 is a versatile all-in-one wireless inkjet printer designed for high-efficiency home offices and small businesses. This powerful machine supports print, copy, scan, and fax functions, offering the convenience of wireless and USB connectivity for seamless operation. With up to 2 years of ink included, it allows you to print up to 6,000 black and white or 14,000 color pages using just one set of inks, dramatically reducing cost per page. The 2.7-inch color touchscreen provides intuitive navigation, while features like Auto two-sided printing and a 50-sheet one-pass auto document feeder (ADF) enhance productivity. Compact yet robust, and weighing 25.6 pounds, the MAXIFY GX6021 delivers impressive speeds of up to 24 ppm for black and white and 15.5 ppm for color, making it an ideal solution for high-volume, color-rich document needs. Number 2. Canon G3260 All-in-One Printer. The Canon Pixmer G3260 is a compact and efficient wireless all-in-one inkjet printer designed for cost-effective, high-volume printing at home or in small offices. It offers significant savings with an ink yield of up to 6,000 black and 7,700 color pages from a single set of bottles, and it includes 2 bonus black ink bottles for even greater value. The hybrid ink system combines pigment black ink for sharp text and dye-based color inks for vivid, borderless photos up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches. This printer supports printing, copying, and scanning, with a flatbed scanner and fast print speeds of up to 10.8 ppm, black, and 6 ppm, color. Despite its USB connectivity, it also enables wireless printing from compatible mobile devices, and is Alexa-enabled, allowing automatic ink reorder notifications and smart reordering via Amazon. Lightweight at 14.1 pounds, the Pixmer G3260 is an affordable, user-friendly choice for reliable everyday printing. Number 3. Canon MAXIFY GX7021. The Canon MAXIFY GX7021 is a high-performance wireless all-in-one inkjet printer designed for small businesses and home offices that need reliable, high-volume color printing. With the ability to print, copy, scan, and fax, this versatile device offers exceptional value, including up to 2 years of ink in the box. A single set of ink bottles yields up to 6,000 black and white pages or 14,000 color pages, drastically reducing printing costs over time. The GX7021 features a 2.7-inch LCD color touchscreen for intuitive navigation, Auto two-sided printing to save paper, and a 50-sheet one-pass auto document feeder (ADF) for quick, efficient batch scanning and copying. With wireless, USB, and network connectivity options, it's ideal for workgroups needing flexibility, productivity, and professional quality prints in a compact form factor. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET4850. The Epson ET4850 Black is a cartridge-free, network-ready inkjet printer designed for high-volume, cost-effective printing. Featuring Epson's EcoTank system, it uses high-capacity refillable ink tanks instead of traditional cartridges, offering up to 2 years of ink included and the ability to print up to 7,500 black and 6,000 color pages per ink set, saving up to 90% on replacement ink costs. This printer delivers sharp, professional-quality text and vibrant color photos thanks to precision-core heat-free technology and pigment black ink. It supports wireless and Ethernet connectivity, has a 250-sheet paper tray, and includes an auto document feeder and auto two-sided printing for efficient workflow. The 2.4-inch color touchscreen and built-in scanner, copier make navigation and multifunction tasks easy. Compatible with voice-activated printing and mobile apps like Epson Smart Panel, Mopria Print Service, and Mopria Scan, the ET4850 offers modern convenience for home or office use while helping reduce cartridge waste. Number 5. Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500. The Epson ET8500 is a versatile, cartridge-free inkjet printer designed for high-quality photo and color document printing with sharp text and vibrant colors, thanks to its high-accuracy printhead and Claria ET Premium 6-color inks. It delivers fast prints, capable of producing a 4x6-inch photo in as little as 15 seconds. This model supports extraordinary media handling, including borderless printing up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches on various paper types such as cardstock and even CDs, DVDs, with the ability to handle specialty media up to 1.3 mm thick. It features auto two-sided printing for added convenience. With affordable, high-yield ink bottles, users can save up to 80% compared to traditional cartridges, printing up to 6,200 color pages per ink set, which can last up to 2 years. The printer includes a 4.3-inch intuitive color touchscreen, wireless, USB, and Ethernet connectivity, and supports voice-activated printing. Mobile device printing and management are streamlined with the Epson Smart Panel app, compatible with both iOS and Android. Its EcoFit ink bottles are uniquely designed for easy, mess-free refilling. The ET8500 also comes with a 2-year limited warranty for reliable protection.